Hello and welcome to our geometry lesson. Today, we are exploring polygons. You see these shapes everywhere in the world around you, from honeycombs to stop signs. But what exactly makes a shape a polygon? Let's find out. A polygon is defined by two very specific rules. First, it must be a closed figure, meaning there are no gaps in the outline. If water were inside, it wouldn't leak out. Second, it must have straight sides. If a shape has any curved lines, like a circle or an oval, it is not a polygon. Let's break down the parts of a polygon. The corners where two lines meet are called vertices. A single one is called a vertex. The straight lines connecting these vertices are called sides, and inside the shape, at every corner, an interior angle is formed. We name polygons based on how many sides they have. A three-sided polygon is a triangle. 4 sides make a quadrilateral. 5 sides is a pentagon, 6 is a hexagon, and 8 is an octagon. The names usually come from Greek prefixes indicating the number. Polygons can be regular or irregular. A regular polygon is perfect. All its sides are the same length, and all its angles are equal. An irregular polygon looks a bit more uneven. Its sides and angles can be all different sizes. We can also split them into convex and concave. A convex polygon has all its corners pointing outwards. A simple way to remember a concave polygon is that it looks like it has caved in. It has at least one corner pointing inwards. There is a magic formula to find the total sum of all angles inside a polygon. It is n-2. Multiplied by 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides. For example, a pentagon has 5 sides, so the sum is 3 times 180, which is 540 degrees. Here is an interesting fact. If you extend the sides of any convex polygon, you create exterior angles. No matter how many sides the polygon has, if you add all these exterior angles together, the sum is always 360 degrees. Let's look at the simplest polygons, triangles. An equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides. An isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides, and a scalene triangle has no equal sides at all. Quadrilaterals, or 4-sided shapes, have special names too. A square has equal sides and corners. A rectangle has equal opposite sides. A rhombus looks like a slanted square, and a trapezoid has just one pair of parallel sides. To wrap up, remember that polygons are closed shapes with straight sides. We name them by their side count. We also learned about regular versus irregular types and how to calculate their angle sums. Geometry is all about understanding these properties.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.